Phrasal verb. First expression. Pump up. Pump up means that you are excited both physically and mentally. Here's an example. I'm pumped up for today's lesson. I'm so pumped up for the party tomorrow. He's pumped up for his trip next week. He's pumped up for his trip next week. Another word for pump up is enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. It means you have intense excitement or enjoyment. In other words, you're very excited. I'm an enthusiastic fan of Starbucks. I'm an enthusiastic fan of Starbucks. I was enthusiastic about taking English lessons. Another example. The family seems pumped up for dessert. I'm pumped up because my favorite baseball team won. They are ice cream enthusiasts. They are enthusiastic about ice cream. The next phrasal verb is carry on. It means to continue. In business, you can use this phrase when you want to continue what you've agreed. Let's carry on with what Mr. Tanaka has started. Let's carry on with what Mr. Tanaka has started. Let's carry on with what we've agreed. The third phrasal verb in the list is mix up. It means to confuse. I always mix the words desert and dessert up. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. I got mixed up. The last phrasal verb is blow away. It's a combination of verb plus adverb. This phrase means you're impressed. Impressed means you're surprised and shocked in a positive way. For example, her singing voice blew me away. Her singing voice blew me away. I was blown away by his presentation. I was blown away by his presentation. Target language. Idioms. First expression. Ace it or ace something. This is an expression that means to do exceptionally well in something, especially an exam or other high-pressure situation. For example, I feel like I aced that interview. I'm pretty sure I'll get the job. I feel like I aced that interview. I'm pretty sure I'll get the job. I managed to ace my math test. I managed to ace the presentation with the board members this morning. Alternative word, slay. It's a slang word that most young people like to use these days. To slay is to do well or succeed at something, like ace. I slew that test. Or, how do I look? You can respond by saying, you slay. You're basically saying she succeeded to look great in that outfit or piece of clothing. Second idiom in the list, I bet or I'll bet. This phrase means that you are fairly sure that something is true. It's another way of saying, I know, or I know what you mean. I bet she'll be late this morning. I bet your train will be late. I'll bet you'd ace the presentation tomorrow, considering the work you put into it. If you want to sound more formal, you can replace I bet to I know for a fact that. I know for a fact that. I know for a fact that you'd ace the presentation tomorrow, considering the work you put into it. Another alternative phrase for I'll bet is without a shadow of a doubt. Without a shadow of a doubt, she'll be late this morning. Without a shadow of a doubt, we'll be able to complete the project this week. Without a shadow of a doubt, we'll be able to complete the project this week. Target language, asking for direction. Excuse me, do you know where your yogi park is? Down the road, past 2 blocks. It's on your left. Thanks. No problem. Phrases you can use to ask for directions. Number 1. Do you happen to know where? Do you happen to know where? Could you tell me where? Could you tell me where? Do you know where? Do you know where? Can you tell me where? Can you tell me where? Where is? I wonder if you know where. I wonder if you know where. Polite expressions. Do you happen to know where? I wonder if you know. Could you tell me where? Do you know where? Casual phrases. Can you tell me where? Where is? Excuse me, I wonder if you know where the bank is. Excuse me, do you happen to know where the convenience store is? Excuse me, could you tell me where the supermarket is? Excuse me, do you know where the supermarket is? Can you tell me where the restroom is? Where is the bookstore? Medium.com says, our brain operates on two different levels, your conscious and subconscious. The two minds are the way we process information. The conscious mind works on the simple day-to-day task, while the subconscious does the heavy lifting and deep work. Unlike your conscious mind, your subconscious handles many activities, thoughts, processes simultaneously. Your subconscious can process 500,000 times more information than your conscious mind. Conscious solutions aren't enough. We need these deep ideas to take us to the next level. Live science says that if you're learning a foreign language, it may help to play recordings of the language while you sleep. I hope that this has been helpful. Let me know. Phrasebook.English, signing off.